Alright, video vlog check everybody. Real here. This is our day, pangilang day naman, day 5 in Dinagat Island. But itong view natin, we're now leaving Dinagat Island and we're viewing the beautiful island dito. Pakita ko sa inyo. Ayan, napakita na mga island na yan. Ayan, so we are on a journey going back to Surigao. Kasi that's our mainland going to Butuan City for our plane ride mamayang gabi. So this is still part of Dinagat Island. Dumaan kami dito a few days ago for an island hopping. So lahat kami ay 2 hours and a half going to a beautiful island. Ngayon parang babalik din kami pero we're going on the other way. Galing kami sa Dibhon town. Parang halfway ng Dinagat Island. So yung 2.5 hours na biyahe namin, so baka 1.5 or 2 hours na lang kasi we didn't take quick shortcut. So yung mga sama, they're going back to the I think meron pa palang port dito, paparada pala muna. Dalawang port ang babaan natin. Okay. So may port pa kaming pupuntahan. I think it's magkasakay ng pasahero or yung mga kanilang bagahe. So another 2 stops pa pala kami. So let's check out the last view here in Dinagat Island. Napakaganda. So ang boat ride from pinanggalingan namin ng Liboon going to Surigao is 350 pesos. So yun yung pamasahe. So yun, I think I'll be ending now my vlog one shot po. Day 5 now here in Dinagat Island. At napakaganda ng ating trip. We learned a lot. Napakaganda ng beach. Yun yung tubig dito, napakalinaw. Napakaganda ng tubig. I think naggarahe kami dito for refueling. So okay, we're back here for the nag-refuel kami yung nakaraan. But pala yung port dito. So ang ganda ng tubig. Parang kayo magsaysay daw to. So yun, thank you guys for watching for the vlog one shot in Dinagat. See you sa next trip. I think my next trip is Romblon. Alright, kita-kits at thank you guys for watching.